Smart home tech is a growing segment that continues to pique our interest. That's why we'd like to share with you some of our top picks for the best smart home tech for Prime Day 2024. First up, let's help keep your home clean and healthy. The Narwal Freo X Ultra is the floor cleaning solution we wish we'd always had. It vacuums, it mops, it uses HEPA filters to minimize dust. It values your security by using LiDAR and lasers for navigation, avoiding putting yet another camera into your home. Intelligent navigation, combined with fine-tuned controls and settings, ensure you get the best clean for your space. This bot offers exceptional cleaning, with 8,200 pascals of suction power and Narwal's advanced AI dirt sense technology that analyzes the state of your floors, bringing its cleaning capacity to the next level. Speaking of the next level, Narwal's dust compression system, zero tangling brush, and the all-in-one station make for up to 7 weeks of automated operation, truly requiring minimal maintenance. Best of all, the Freo X Ultra will fit nicely into your home. An elegant design allows the base station to blend with your home decor. And the bot itself is one of the quietest on the market, allowing it to automatically clean your home without disrupting your life. This Prime Day, you could save $450 off the Narwal Freo X Ultra. It's at its lowest price ever of just $949. Lighting is key to our lives. One of the most experienced players in the smart home lighting segment is Philips. The Philips Hue system has been around for years now. It's a combination of a dedicated hub that attaches to multiple light bulbs across your home. There's standard white lights, fancy Edison lights, colored lights, RGB light strips, lamps, lanterns, motion sensors, physical switches, and more. There are so many options, so let's start at the beginning. The Philips Hue Starter Kit is on sale this Prime Day. It includes the Hue Bridge, 3 color ambiance LED bulbs, and a smart button. The kit will run you just $125 on Prime Day. That's a savings of over $50. Philips isn't the only name in smart home lighting. One of our favorite brands for RGB light strips is also on sale this Prime Day. The Govee Neon Rope Light 2 is a favorite around our team. Govee's RGBIC technology means you get smooth color transitions with constant lighting along the 9.8 or 16.4 foot strips. There's no need to be intimidated here. These aren't your old school LED strips that require cutting, soldering, and coding skills. Just mount these flexible light strips in your home, then use the app to easily choose from one of the 64 presets or start building your own pattern with just a few clicks. Regularly $99, the Govee Neon Rope Light 2 are just $59 this Prime Day. With all of these fun items you're ordering online, wouldn't it be good if you could monitor your front door to see when Amazon drops them off? Okay, video doorbells are not new, but this unit from Eufy is worth consideration. The Doorbell E340 packs 2 cameras, one pointed straight down to see your packages, the other faces outward to see who's knocking. It's battery powered, but can be hardwired if you want. You can pair the doorbell with one of Eufy's home bases or chimes, as well as Alexa and Google Voice devices to further your smart home integration, or just connect to your phone to get notifications and check in on the cameras while on the go. The Prime Day price of just $119 is almost the lowest price we've ever seen on the Eufy Doorbell E340. That's a savings of $60. When you're ready to add security to more than just your front door, the Arlo Pro 5S is tough to beat this Prime Day. This ultra-wide 2K camera is backed by motion sensors, a spotlight, 2-way audio, and night vision. Wi-Fi connectivity and battery power make it easy to set up, and a 12x zoom makes it easy to check in from your phone to surveil your area. The motion detector can be set to send you notifications, trigger a siren, flash the spotlight, and more. This camera is just one piece in a larger home security suite available from Arlo. Please just remember that there's a paid subscription to use all of the best features. The Arlo Pro 5S is less than half price right now. Regularly $250, snag this home security camera for just $119 this Prime Day. Bringing it back indoors. It's the tail end of allergy season in my part of the world, and I don't even want to think about what my existence would be like without the Dreo MC710S air purifying tower fan. It looks and acts like an articulating tower fan, which is nice in the heat of the summer, and packs a big HEPA filter to eliminate eliminate dust, pollen, and other allergens in my home. Plus, it's quiet enough that I can run it in the bedroom at night. Connecting the Dreo air purifier to your smart home gives you seamless controls and air quality tracking. The color display also gives you real-time data on the current air quality. Avoid the sneezes with the Dreo MC710S for just $239 this Prime Day. That's a $60 savings. If you don't have one already, you'll need a smart assistant for your smart home. Good news on that front. Amazon just released a brand new unit. The Echo Spot is a compact smart speaker that packs a 2-inch display. It makes a solid clock for the nightstand, showing the time, weather, and info for the song you're currently playing. It came out of the gates with a great sale price of just $45, regularly $79. The rest of Amazon's Alexa device line comes in many shapes and sizes. This year you'll find good deals on the Echo Pop, Echo Dot, and Echo Show 5. If you're looking for a different ecosystem, Google Assistant is very popular and can also be found on a range of devices. For example, the Google Nest Mini is a great starter unit for this ecosystem. To round out your smart home setup, we've got some honorable mentions, such as the D-Link Wi-Fi connected water leak detection kit. Place the sensors in sensitive places around your home to get notifications of any unwanted water. The water kit is on sale for just $79 right now. Next, why not try turning almost any device into a smart device with a smart plug? The Govee smart plug connects to your smart home for automations and voice control of whatever you connect. Try using them for old school lights around the house. A powerful enhancement for just $8.49. Now, that's a lot of electricity. What happens if you lose power? Make that a problem of the past with backup power. The Anker Solix line of battery power packs can effectively replace the generator, can be powered by solar energy, and push enough juice to keep many of your home electronics running. It might be the time to connect your entire home for total offline power. Or maybe you're more interested in the smaller Anker Solix C1000, perfect for powering your personal electronics for several days. And that was just a small selection of smart home deals that can be found this Prime Day. Head on over to Android Authority to see many more deals on smart home, phones, audio gear, and more. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.